Lethbridge, BC ranks as the 8th most windiest city in all of Canada. This is due to the warm Chinook winds it experiences throughout the year. These winds can blow up to 120 kilometers per hour, and they tend to make a mess of things in the city. For example, people's garbage bins are being blown around and causing garbage to go everywhere.
The problem of garbage cans tipping is happening because the normal force pushing up on the garbage can is at the very corner when the can is on the verge of tipping. At this moment, the force of the wind is not strong enough to overcome the force of friction to put the garbage can in motion, and therefore this is why we are seeing garbage cans tipping due to high winds.
The fortress is a relatively simple model. It is designed to be as effective as possible while still being convenient to use. It is fully collapsible when not in use and has a retractable handle allowing effortless transport. Form-fitting hinges allow the folding walls to stay in place when standing up, reinforced by a total of 6 supports, re-ensuring the stability of the garbage bin. The ramp enables everyone to load their bin into the structure no matter how heavy the load. The ramp also doubles as a 4th support, using pins to fasten into place, completely locking the bin within the structure. You will notice the cutout in the platform. This fits the shape of the bin, disabling movement in all 4 directions. The bottom of the frame has serrated cuts to improve friction, preventing the system from sliding across the pavement.
The fortress puts an end to tipping recycling bins. The recycling bin sits on the ground within a frame tightly surrounded by an interchangeable piece that secures it into position to stop it from tipping. The frame extends the tipping point of the bin, requiring it to have a much larger force to tip. The foldable walls stop the bin from completely tipping over if extremely strong winds occur. The jagged grooves on the bottom of the structure create a rough surface to increase friction, reducing the ability to slide across the pavement. The whole structure folds up for easy storage and has a retractable handle to make it easy to carry to and from your house. The recycling bin widens at the top, creating rotational torque when the mass hangs over the pivot point. Adding a bit of wind to the center of mass of the recycling bin increases that torque, causing it to tip. The fortress solves this issue by increasing the pivot point in all 4 directions, requiring a force from the wind to pick up the recycling bin entirely, which is unlikely.
The fortress is constructed from HDPE plastic, which costs approximately 55 cents per pound, with a metal cutout plate for added rigidity. The plastic parts can be produced easily and quickly with a molding process.